What's up everyone, it's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media tech, freelance and business. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to track your various income streams and know which income stream is profitable to you and which income stream is less profitable, so that you can focus your time and money on those profitable sources of income and put less focus on those less profitable income that are eating up your profits. So without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Cheption Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheption, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyu.com to learn more. Now let's get started. To get started tracking your income streams, visit paretoprofit.cheptionyu.com on your phone. This is an application that allows you to track your income streams using the Pareto principle of 80-20. You'll need to install this application on your phone. If it is your first time visiting this website, you will see a pop-up message on top here of the browser asking you to accept and install the app. If you don't see this message, click on the three dots on your Chrome browser and select Add to Home screen. You'll be prompted to install the app. The app will install on your phone as Pareto Profit. Open the application and sign up if you are new, or log in if you already have an account. You'll be able to start tracking your finances when you're logged in. On the Pareto Profit dashboard, you can see total revenue, top income streams, and income over the past 6 months. To start tracking your income from various sources, you'll need to first register the income streams that you already have. To do this, click on the wallet icon on the side. Select Income Streams. Click on Add Stream. Enter the name of your income stream and currency, then click on Add Stream. Repeat the same process for other income streams. Once you're done adding income streams, you'll need to add a sale and repeat the same process each time you receive income or money from any of your sources. To do this, click on the wallet icon and select Sales. On the new screen, tap on Add Sale. On the pop-up window, enter the amount of your sale and select Income Stream. Then choose the date of your sale, then choose the status of your sale, if it is paid or unpaid. By default, every sale is unpaid. Add description if you want to and add your sale. To be able to evaluate your income streams, record all sales from your different income streams. Next, you need to add expenses. To do this, click on the wallet icon and select Expenses. On the new screen, select Add Expense. On the pop-up window, add the name of your expense, amount and currency. Select the income stream that is linked to your expense, then click on Add Expense. Repeat this process each time you have an expense that is linked to your income stream. At the end of the month, your income will be ranked based on your recorded sales and expenses. To see your income stream reports, click on the wallet icon and select Reports. Here, you'll be able to see your income overview, expenses, and your profit and loss. You can export your reports using the pattern on top here. And that is it. You have successfully tracked your monthly income streams and known which of the streams is profitable to you. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below here. How do you track your income streams, or which income stream is profitable to you and which income stream is less profitable to you? Let me know in the comments section below here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyu.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care.
Cheption Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheption, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet. to the freedom.